quick afternoon, evening drive before it gets dark so we can listen to my cold air intake and just enjoy this nice cool weather. Well, you can't enjoy the nice cool weather, but I will. I'll enjoy it for you. Ooh, splashes, splashes. Alright, let's show them how it's done. Yeah, boy. It's $3 worth of gas every time I do that. You see that? Did you see that? Some geese chilling right there on the side. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. Jeep gang. I might have to park somewhere and go look at the water. Bike gang. Man, we just barely missed the Maserati Gran Turismo. It turned right at a stop sign up ahead of me. I definitely couldn't get it on video. I was barely able to see it myself. Probably gonna stop at this little parking lot up here unless it's like crowded, has a bunch of people. But I do really want to get out and take a look at the water. So far I see three cars. A couple of nice Benzes. Yo, I was straight up on it just now. I was cooking. That's saying something for this old gal. I don't know. It felt fast, but you know, it's not actually fast. Loud though. Holy crap. What's this person doing practically stopping here? Oh, a deer. Did you see that? Could the camera see that? There's a deer right on my left here. Man, it's so nice out here right now. Time to just cruise. No more mashing the gas, you know?